The teaching at Vedantu was amazing. One aspect where Vedantu teaching differed from a normal offline coaching was the attention teachers gave to our doubts. No matter how many times we asked the doubt, the teachers would patiently clear the doubt every single time, and they made learning a very fantastic experience for us.
Hello young guns of India, क्या हाल चाल? मेरा नाम है अरविंद सुथार. I'm meeting you again on this beautiful day with a session on Binomial Theorem. क्या हाल चाल everyone? How's the जोश? कैसी लग रही है जेई की प्रिपरेशन? मज़ा आ रहा है? कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा है? एक्साइटेड कितने हो? देखें ज़रा एनर्जी कितनी है यार यंग गन्स ऑफ इंडिया में. हाँ, यंग गन्स ऑफ इंडिया हो यार तुम, फ्यूचर ऑफ इंडिया का. क्या हाल चाल सारे के सारे इन द चैट? यस, जोश फुल ऑन है. शिव कह रहा है पूरा जोश है, आदि कह रहा है फुल ऑन है, प्रिंस कह रहा है हाय है, सौरभ के क्या हाल चाल है, प्रीतम के क्या हाल चाल है, शुभम के क्या हाल चाल है, विष्णु के क्या हाल चाल है, एवरीवन सारे के सारे, पंकज, निम्रत, यस, हेलो बेटा, हेलो 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 हेलो. मजा आ रहा है. आज जो हम टॉपिक शुरू करने वाले हैं बाइनोमियल, बहुत ही लड्डू टॉपिक है और जेई इस टॉपिक से एक क्वेश्चन हर साल पूछता है और ये टॉपिक बहुत ही ज्यादा लड्डू है. तो अगर आपने आज का सेशन पूरा अटेंड किया तो आज ही आप जेई के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने लगोगे इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड. ओके, यस, निम्रत कह रही है कि उसका फेवरेट टॉपिक है यार. क्या बात है. हाँ बिल्कुल निम्रत, मुझे लगता है जेई छोड़ के ही निकाल के ही मानेगी यार. मतलब क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है. तो हमारी छोरियां छोरों से कम है क्या बात है यार. हाँ बिल्कुल मजा आ गया. शुरू करते एवरीवन. यस, टुगेदर वी गोना लर्न समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस टॉपिक. ओके, प्रीतम कह रहा है कि उसको इस टॉपिक से सबसे ज्यादा नफरत है. कोई बात नहीं प्रीतम, वी विल ट्राई कि तुमको इस टॉपिक से प्यार हो जाए. ओके, आई विल बी यूजिंग इंग्लिश एज वेल, नो नीड टू वरी. मेरे साथ पूरे सेशन में बने रहोगे. इफ यू स्टिक विथ मी इन दिस एंटायर सेशन, डेफिनेटली गाइज, I'm gonna bet on this that you will be getting 4 marks for sure in your upcoming JEE exam. So are you guys ready everyone? Are you guys ready everyone to learn something interesting today? I'll be using more English, no need to worry about it, but I need your support and your love because your love means a lot to us guys. It is your love that gives us positive energy to come up with even better. Yes, every day. Yeah. यस, तो तुम्हारा जो लव है वो हमारे लिए फ्यूल है यार. हाँ, तो देते रहो, प्यार करते रहो यार, बिल्कुल है ना. लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. इफ यू डू दैट, हमको आ जाता है और मोटिवेशन, और तुमको भी चाहिए होता है मोटिवेशन, बिकॉज एवरीबडी नीड्स मोटिवेशन टू डू द थिंग्स दैट ही वांट टू अचीव इन हिज लाइफ. राइट और नॉट एवरीवन? यस, सारे के सारे, है ना. तो मोटिवेशन हमें भी देते रहो यार. हम इतनी पॉजिटिव एनर्जी, वी गाइज आर स्प्रेडिंग पॉजिटिव एनर्जी टू ऑल ऑफ यू, ताकि आप लोग अपने ड्रीम्स को चेस कर पाओ एंड टुगेदर वी कैन मेक अ ब्यूटीफुल इंडिया, हमारा सपनों का भारत, है ना. यस, तो जिसने नहीं किया है कर देना. Yes, and I want maximum of you guys to stay in this entire session because I'm telling you guys that at the end of this session you will be able to solve JEE questions very easily. So let me see how many guys are there who will be sticking with me for the entire session. Everyone, सारे के सारे, make a commitment to yourself that yes, I'm gonna stay in this entire session and I'm gonna learn everything that Arvind Sir is gonna teach here in this session, right here and right now. This is a commitment to yourself, right? Everyone in the chat, सारे के सारे, है ना? Yes, so those guys who will be watching recording of this session, I'm giving some questions for all of them. These questions, if you are coming live, definitely we're gonna solve them. This is a JEE main 2019 ka question, right? A laddu question. If you watch this session, you will be able to solve these questions. Yeah, bilkul. This is again a JEE main 2019 ka question, which has come on the particular term of the binomial expansion. Okay, yes, a very laddu question, I would say. Okay, then it is another question which has come in JEE 2019 main only, right? So if you are watching the recording of this session, you can definitely solve, you can definitely pause the video and can solve the question and can write the answer in the comment section. Okay, yes, great, है ना. और भी बहुत सारे questions हैं, so that we will gonna do in our today's session. Okay, this is another question which has come in the JEE main 2019, right? Yes, Rama, I won't be taking Menti today, but definitely a lot of knowledge will be delivered to you all. Let's see who among you solve the JEE question first. तो आज का चैंपियनशिप है ये, देखते हैं कौन चैंपियन बनता है ना? Yes, तो कौन मुझे सबसे पहले जल्दी आंसर्स बताएगा क्वेश्चंस के that I'm gonna give you today? कौन बताएगा जल्दी से जल्दी क्वेश्चंस के आंसर that I'm gonna give you in today's session? सारे के सारे देखते हैं यार, जोश कितना है जोश? शिबू कह रहा है वो बताएगा, yes. और कौन बताएगा? यस 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 यस, सारे के सारे. टू मच कैलकुलेशंस, बट इट लुक्स लाइक इट इज वेरी बिग थिंग, बट अल्टीमेटली इफ यू गाइज ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट, इट्स अ वेरी 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 लड्डू क्वेश्चन, है ना? यस, तो सारे के सारे लोग कह रहे हैं वो बताएंगे. देखते हैं आज क्वेश्चन में कौन सबसे पहले बताता है. सो बिफोर गोइंग इनटू द टॉपिक, लेट्स हैव अ लुक एट व्हाट इज अ बाइनोमियल. Yes, right. When you were in junior classes, you have heard this term very frequently. Polynomial, isn't it? Everyone knows this term polynomial, right? So what do you mean by poly? Poly means many and this nomial means terms, okay? So when you have many terms with you, what do you get is nothing but a polynomial. But what is binomial then? What is binomial then? Binomial is bi means two and nomial means terms. So when you have two terms, what do you have is binomial, right? Yes. What do you have when you have two terms? It is binomial, right? Yes, great. Now, where to use binomial? Everyone knows. If I ask you what is a plus b ka whole square, everybody will be like, sir, क्या पूछ रहे हो यार? It is a square plus b square plus 2ab, right or not? If I ask you what is a plus b का whole cube, everyone will be like, sir, क्या पूछ रहे हो? बच्चा सा सवाल है. It is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab square, right or not? But if I ask you what is a plus b to the power 4, what is a plus b to the power 5, you will be like, sir, that is very much calculative. What should I do then? It is very easy. If I ask you what is a plus b to the power 100, if you have this tool that is binomial theorem with you all, you can definitely find it out what is a plus b to the power 100, right? Yes, so we're gonna do that today. Okay, everyone, what is the purpose of learning binomial theorem? Apart from that you will be getting a question in your JEE paper, is that you can make a plus b to the power 100 also look very easy, right? So that is the purpose of learning this topic. Okay, great, cool. Let's move into the topic, guys, है ना? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's move into the topic. Okay, yes. So according to the binomial theorem, we can expand this particular term, right? It is having two terms, a as well as b. That's why I'm calling it as a binomial. Okay, and I'm gonna do binomial expansion. Okay, yes, जो लोग बोर्ड्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, डेफिनेटली दिस सेशन इज फॉर यू एज वेल, है ना? क्योंकि बहुत ही लड्डू टॉपिक है और बहुत ही लड्डू सा क्वेश्चन आता है यार. यहाँ से संजू, आतिफ, विवेक, निम्रत, है ना, मनीष, रामाराजू, मैथ्यू, मनीष, a very laddu question comes from this chapter yaar. Okay, so this is the binomial expansion. A plus b to the whole power n looks something like this if I expand this. Now you will be like, a lot of you guys will be like, sir, this is a very big expansion. How do I remember this? Then I'm gonna give you a very 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 easy trick to remember this expansion as well. What you have to do is keep your attention here on the screens, because I'm gonna tell you a logic by which you can write the binomial expansion very easily. A lot of you guys already know this, lekin if you don't know, guys, look here, and if you know, guys, write in the comment section. I'm looking forward for your chats. Yes, if you know this, write in the comment section, and if you don't know this, look on the screens very carefully, right? Yes, write NC0, NC1, NC2 like this. How many till where? Till NCN. Write this first. NC0, NC1, NC2, NCN तक लिख दो यार. सभी को पता है? Are you guys familiar with these terms? NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3? हाँ यार, बाइनोमियल में बहुत, उसमें PNC में बहुत देखा है यार. Okay, great. Then what you have to do? Write A, and you have to do is this B is coming afterwards. This B is coming afterwards as compared to this A, right or not, everyone? Yes. So what you have to do is whatever the term written over here, just give it to the power. कि a का पावर का सम और b के पावर का सम should always be equal to the number that is written over here. What is the rule? The summation of the powers of a and b should be always the term that is written in the expansion of a plus b to the power whatever is written, right? Yes, that what we do call it as index. Okay, so 0 plus what value will give me equal to n, guys? 0 plus what value will give me equal to n, everyone? क्या देता है? 0 के साथ किस पावर को जोड़ दूं तो वो मुझे n देता है. प्रीतम कह रहा है सर n होना चाहिए, तो a का पावर n हो गया. अच्छा, यहां पे क्या नंबर हो कि ये b का पावर जो कि 1 है, if I add these two numbers, what do I get is the number n. What is the power of a that should be there, everyone? सारे के सारे बताएंगे यार in the chat box. In the chat box यार, फिर मुझे पता लग जाएगा कि everybody knows this or not. Yes, so the guys are saying, sir, n minus 1 should be there. Okay, then here n minus 2 should be there. And like this you go on. यहाँ पर power 0 दे दो and add all of these terms. What you get is nothing but the binomial expansion. Everyone clear with this in the chat? सारे के सारे in the chat यार. This is nothing but the expansion of a plus b to the whole power n. Now, some junior guy, how he would have calculated a plus b to the power n? If you don't know this theorem, तो a plus b की power n को कैसे करोगे? a plus b into a plus b into a plus b into a plus b n times. और फिर कहोगे अरे यार मैं तो पागल हो गया, इतना लंबा करूंगा तो मैं पागल हो जाऊंगा. तो इतना लंबा करोगे तो पागल हो जाओगे. इसके लिए ये वाला थ्योरम याद कर लो. ऐसे लिखते हैं. ठीक है बच्चों, समझ में आता कि नहीं तुम लोगों को? समझ में आता कि नहीं आता? इन द चैट आई एम लुकिंग फॉर योर रिस्पॉन्सेस गाइस. एवरीवन, यस, समझ में आती कि नहीं आती मेरे को जल्दी से चैट के अंदर बताती तो मैं आगे बढ़ जाती. आती? ग्रेट ग्रेट. यस यस यस, वेरी कूल यार, वेरी कूल. सबको समझ में आती, हमको मजा आ जाती अगर तुम लोगों को समझ में आती. ओके, कूल गाइज. सो हाउ मेनी टर्म्स आई हैव रिटन ओवर हियर लाइक दिस? आई हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम NC0, then I have moved to NC1, then NC2 till NCn I have gone. Guys, how many terms I have written for this binomial expansion? Everyone, how many terms I have written for this binomial expansion, everyone? Yes, everyone? सारे के सारे? Yes, everyone is saying that I have written n plus 1 number of terms. How n plus 1 number of terms here? NC0, a to the power n, b to the power 0. This is one term. I have started with NC0. Then I have written NC1. Then I have written NC2. Then I have gone like this and I have went till NCn. I have started with 0 from here and I have gone till n over here. Right, so starting from 0 I have gone till n, so these should be n plus 1 terms or not. Everyone, सारे के सारे चमका? चलो, बहुत बढ़िया बात है. And you can also clarify this from the a plus b का whole square, right? A plus b का whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. These are 3 terms, right? These are 3 terms, isn't it? Yes, when you have a plus b to the whole cube, what is the formula? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3b square plus b cube. That means you have a 4 terms with you, isn't it everyone? Yes, isn't it? Yes, so you can definitely say when the power is n, when the binomial term is having power as n, I'll be having n plus 1 number of terms. Isn't it? Isn't it easy yaar laddu, everyone? And JEE has asked a lot of questions on this very laddu topic. So let's go there and let's try to kill the topic, guys. Yes, मजा आ रहा है everyone? सारे के सारे मजा आ रहा है पढ़ने में? Easy लग रहा है कि नहीं लग रहा है? सारे मेरे को बताएंगे यार. लग रहा है कि नहीं लग रहा है? लड्डू चैप्टर है कि नहीं है? सारे के सारे. Somebody is new यार. कोई अपनी गैंग में नया है यार, उसको बताओ यार. उसको बताओ रोज आने के क्या फायदे हैं यार इस सेशन के अंदर. अरविंद सर के सेशन में रोज आने के क्या फायदे हैं यार, उसको बताओ यार. सारे के सारे बताएंगे यार. देखो, गजानन इज सेइंग दैट आई एम न्यू. वेलकम टू द गैंग गजानन यार. Okay, cool. So everyone knows that a plus b to the whole power n can be written like this. Okay? Yes, beta, is it clear? I'm speaking in English as well. Okay, is it clear? A plus b to the power n can be expanded in this form also, right? Yes, let's move ahead and let's do some JEE questions here, because I can't wait. JEE questions are waiting for me and everyone out there. So x plus y to the whole power 5. If it is having x plus y to the whole power 5, how many terms I'll be getting, guys? Number one, how many terms I'll be getting for this expansion when the power is given to us as 5? When the power is given to us 5, how many terms I'll be having? I'll be having 6 terms. Very good, very good, very good, very good. What will be those 6 terms? Arvind Sir set a rule that write 5C0, 5C1, 5C2, 5C3, 5C4, 5C5. The power is 5, okay? When the power is 5, I'll write 5C0 first, then 5C1, 5C2, 5C3, 5C4, 5C5, okay? Yes. Then what was the second rule that Arvind Sir told us? Arvind Sir has told that whatever is the number written over here, just give this number to the power of y, right or not, in every term. So when 1 is over here, I'll give this 1 to the power of y. When 2 is here, I'll give this power of y as 2. When the 3 is there, I'll give the power of y as 3, right or not, everyone? संजू मैनू पंजाबी आउंदी है, मैं तेनू सिखा दांगा, मैं तेनू मैथ भी सिखा दांगा, साडे सैशन विच आया कर रेगुलरली, मैं तेनू सब सिखा दांगा वीरे. Okay, great. So I'm having terms like this, okay? Yes. What else I'm having is that when I add the power of x and y, when I add the power of x and y in every term, the summation of these powers are always equal to the power that is written over here. Isn't it always? Look, 5 plus 0, again 5, 4 plus 1, again 5, 3 and 2, again 5, 2 and 3, again 5, 1 and 4, again 5, 0 and 5, again 5. Isn't it? So in all the terms, in each and every term, the summation of the power of x and y is always equal to n. N means the power that is given over here. Right, this is my binomial expansion is. So let's move into the topic. Yes, so everyone knows how to find out 5C0, 5C1, 5C2. It's a laddu thing, isn't it? Yes, and you can write down the expansion this. Right, this is the binomial expansion. Okay? Okay? Yes, great. Let's move and do this question यार. एक JEE का question कर लेते हैं. JEE का question कर लेते हैं. Now you guys are ready to even kill this JEE का question यार. You guys can even solve this JEE ka question just on the concept that we have learnt. Okay, so let's do this here. The sum of the coefficient of all even degree terms in x in the expansion of this particular thing. Okay, yeah, in the expansion of this particular thing. So it's a very big term written over here, this beautiful one. Yes, so I'm gonna call it as y for some time. I'm gonna call it as y for some time because I don't want to write it again and again. It's looking too messy to me. Okay, yeah, and I like Ronaldo, so I don't want messy things with me, so I'm gonna call it as y. Okay, yeah, great. Yes, so everyone knows if I give you that, can you guys expand this particular thing? Everybody will be like, sir, we have just done this. Okay, if I ask you guys, can you expand the other thing that is given to you? You will be like, sir, they are both same only yaar. But if we expand this one and y ke jagah pe agar -1 डाल देंगे तो I'll be having this expansion, right or not? So expand these two things. Expand these two things and try to find out the answer, guys. It's a very laddu question. It's a very laddu question, though it is looking a bit deadly. But it's a very laddu question for sure, guys. It's a very laddu question. Okay, so just give it a try. Let's write the binomial expansion of this term first. Let's write the binomial expansion for the first one, this one. Okay, yes. Then we will move in order to solve the question. A lot of guys are saying B is the right answer. You guys are nailing it यार, हैं? मतलब मेरी नौकरी खा के रहोगे क्या? हैं? फोड़ रहे हो यार, क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया, keep it up. Yes, solve करते हैं for those guys who don't know. Okay, yes, so everybody is like, sir, power 6 is given, so I have to write 7 terms. Right or not? So 6C0, x to the power 0, x to the power 6, y to the power 0, plus 6C1, x to the power 5, y to the power 1, plus 6c2 x to the power 4 y to the power 2 plus 6c3 x to the power 3 y to the power 3 plus 6c4 x to the power 4 y to the power, okay, x to the power 2 y to the power 4, yeah, then 6c5 x to the power 1 y to the power 5 plus 6c6 x to the power 0 y to the power 6. This is the expansion for this particular term I have written. Which particular term? For this one. This one is still left. I'm again telling you, it may look a bit messy, but when you solve it, it's like Ronaldo. It's very easy. Okay, so let's try to solve this. Let's write the expansion for this, guys. Let's write the expansion for the other term. Let's write the expansion for the other term. If you see, if you observe it very carefully, if in the first expression you replace y by minus y, you will get this expression, right or not? So if you have this kind of an expansion for the first one, if you replace every y in this expansion by minus y, you're gonna get the expansion of this one, second one. Isn't it? Yes, everyone? Isn't it, everyone? Yes? Isn't it, everyone? सारे के सारे, everyone? Buffering, ये buffering क्यों लिख रहे हैं यार? सारे के सारे buffering क्यों लिख रहे हैं? हाँ? Everyone, सारे के सारे buffering क्यों लिख रहे हैं? Tamil. Okay, Tamil is a very beautiful language, yaar. I love this language. Very soon I'll be starting to, learn Tamil. Yeah. I really love this language, yaar. So beautiful culture India is having, yaar, isn't it? Isn't it? So many cultures, so many languages. Yeah, Marathi I've lived in Maharashtra. I've lived in Maharashtra for long. Yeah. Marathi is also damn good. Yeah, that's the beauty of India, yaar. Isn't it? Yeah, damn good. Okay, great. So let's write down the expansion for the other term, guys. Let's write down the expansion for the other term. Yeah. Let's write down the expansion for the other term. Yeah, I've lived in Punjab as well. Yeah, I was in Jalandhar for a few months. Yeah. Yeah, but basically I'm from Rajasthan. Yeah. Oh, great, yaar. Atif, I would love to do that, beta. Yeah, everyone write the expansion for this one, yaar. Everyone? अरे हम वो भी बोल लेते हैं पंकज. अरे पंकज वाह. ए पंकज वाह. Yeah, great. Okay, x minus y to the power 6 का expansion लिखेंगे everyone. Yes. So Sangeeta is saying a very beautiful statement from here that, sir, when you write the expansion of this one, what will happen that when you add these two expansions, the even powers of y wali terms will be cancelled out. Okay. Yes. So when you write the expansion for this, what you will be observing is that this term gone away, this term will get away, this term will also go away, and the remaining terms will left, right? And all of the terms have been come from here as well as here, so everything will be having twice of the thing left, the summation of these two, right? Yes, great. है ना? So once you do this, I think you will be easily able to get the answer. Okay, so the right answer will be coming out to be 24. किसका आ गया था? Shibu, you got it wrong. Shibu, wrong हो गया तेरा बेटा. कैसे हो गया? Let's have a look at this, guys. ओहो, गड़बड़ हो गई. गड़बड़. B is the right answer. किसका आया यार? किसका आया? B answer किसका आया everyone? B is the right answer. B is the right answer. Let's see. है ना? Let's see. So on the last page, we have written till here, right? We have written till here. Now the question wants to know the sum of the coefficient of all even degree terms. Even degree means the power should be 0, 2, 4, right? Yes, power should be 0, 2, 4. है ना? Yes. So if we have got this expansion, everyone knows how to multiply, because x to the power 6, from here you know how to multiply these two terms, x to the power 4 with this, you know how to multiply these two, you know how to multiply the remaining thing, right? Yes. And we're gonna write down the even power of x, right? Yes. So when you see that you have reached to this expansion, 6 is 0, x to the power 6 from here, this is 6c2 x to the power 4 into x cube, it will be having 6c2 x to the power 7. When you multiply 6c2 x to the power 4 with minus 1, what you're gonna get is this, right? Are you guys getting it? किसी को कोई गड़बड़ इसके अंदर, किसी को कोई डाउट इसके अंदर, जल्दी बताओ यार मेरे को। एवरीवन नोज व्हाट इज x क्यूब -1 का होल स्क्वायर? एवरीवन नोज और नॉट? इट इज x टू द पावर 6 minus 2x cube plus 1, isn't it? And then you multiply this 6c4x square with all of these terms. So you're gonna get first this 6c4x square when multiplied with x to the power 6, you're gonna get this x to the power 8. Here x square will come and here this thing will come, right? Everyone knows what is the expansion of this term as well. कैसे करते हैं? a minus b का whole cube, सही बात के नहीं? सही बात के नहीं? Yes, तो x cube का whole cube है ना, यस, और फिर क्या आ जाएगा दिस, यस, इसी का एक्सपेंशन लिखा हुआ है यार ये, ओके, इसी का एक्सपेंशन ये लिखा हुआ है, तो आई एम नॉट राइटिंग इट। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग अस इवन डिग्री का सम क्या होगा, इवन डिग्री का सम क्या होगा? तो इसके अंदर इवन डिग्री कौन कौन सी है? व्हाट आर द इवन डिग्रीज ऑफ एक्स कमिंग इनटू दिस इक्वेशन गाइस? एवरीवन, तो बच्चे कहेंगे कि सर एक तो ये इवन है, एक ये इवन है, एक ये इवन है, एक ये इवन है, एंड कौन सी इवन है सर? ये वाली इवन है। सो व्हाट इज द समेशन ऑफ ऑल दीज कोएफिशिएंट्स गाइस? व्हाट इज द समेशन ऑफ all the coefficients of the even powers? So everybody gonna tell me sir 2 into 6c0, 2 तो कॉमन ले लिया ये वाला, yes है ना, ये 6c0 is nothing but 1, this is minus 6c2. What is the value of 6c2? It is 15, so it is minus 15. Yeah, what is the value of 6c4? I hope you guys know that 6c4 is equal to 6c2 only, and it is also equal to 15. Yes, what is the value of this term? Again 15. Yes, what is the value of this? It is, yes, and this minus 1 was also there, because minus 1 is written whenever, if a constant term is written, it is also in even power of x. Why? Because minus 1, any constant number, let's say minus 1 can be written as x to the power 0 as well. Minus 1 into x to the power 0 as well. We can write minus 1 as x to the power 0, and we are assuming x as a even power. Yes, just add all of these here. Laddu question or not? सारे के सारे in the chat. Laddu question or not? सारे के सारे in the chat. Laddu question everyone? Yes? Laddu question है ना? बताओ यार मेरे को यार. Yeah, a little bit संगीता, a little bit. आमी तुम्हाको भालोबाशी. Great. Yes. Corbo Lordbo Jeetbo. Everyone, Corbo Lordbo Jeetbo. I know this much yaar, Bengali. But I love Bengali culture yaar. Seriously, I should say. है ना? Great. So everyone got the answer. आगे बढ़ते हैं next question की तरफ. Number of the terms in the binomial expansion. We have already seen this, that if the power of n, if the power is given to me as n, then the number of terms are n plus 1. n plus 1, because we know a plus b का whole square में 3 टर्म आते हैं, तो a plus b की पावर n में n plus 1 terms will come. Everyone, yes? अरे यार इसको बोल देते, ये तो हमको आता है यार, ये तो अरविंद सर ने हमको पहले ही सिखा दिया है, so we know this thing यार. हाँ, तो अरविंद सर ने बता दिया है कि number of the terms whenever the power is given to me as n, I'm gonna have the value n plus 1, that is n plus 1 number of terms I'll be having. Yes? Okay, cool. एक problem करते हैं, एक और. So what is the beautiful thing about mathematics is every problem has the solution, isn't it? So the most beautiful thing that mathematics teaches us is every problem has a solution. You just have to find that. So let's find out the solution of this equation, guys. This question, okay? Yes. So this question is asking, what it is asking yaar? ये पूछ रहा है number of the terms in the expansion of this. In the expansion of this. What will be the number of the terms in the expansion of this? Yes. तो कोई 16 नहीं बोलेगा, and I'm quite happy that a lot of guys are saying 31 is the right answer. Yes, 31 is the very right answer. Why is it so? Because this is not a binomial written over here. This is not a binomial. But can you somehow convert it into a binomial? Yes, you can. You can write it as x plus 1 ka whole square to the whole power 15. Right or not, everyone? It is nothing but x plus 1 ka whole square written, which is also be written as this. And when you have binomial thing and when the power is 30, the number of the terms will become what, guys? They will become one more, that is number of terms will become 31. So who has got the right answer in the chat, everyone? देखता हूं मैं यार उन लोगों के नाम जिसने ये पता कर लिया है कि every problem has a solution, we just need to find the solution. Yes, किस किसने कर लिया है? आदि, प्रेरित, रॉबर्ट, आरब्दा, ओके, मधुबनी, बिहार वाले हैं ये, क्या बात है यार, यही तो ब्यूटी है वेदांतु की. This is the beauty of Vedantu, that guys from all over India are here on this platform, yaar. Yes, and the beautiful vision that Vedantu shares is that just give quality education to the future of India, because they definitely gonna kill it, yaar. ये बच्चे रुकने वाले नहीं हैं, ये बच्चे रुकने वाले नहीं हैं, ये इंडिया का फ्यूचर है और ये मतलब रॉक करने वाले हैं यार. यस, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, ग्रेट, सुपर्ब सुपर्ब सुपर्ब. Okay, great. Let's move towards another concept that is, है ना? Let's move towards another concept that is general term. Okay, a lot of questions in the JEE main you will see from this particular topic, general term. है ना? Okay, Sanju, किद्दा? किद्दा? Okay, great. General term is a very easy thing. Okay, very easy thing. You guys might have gone through the topic sequence and series, right? In sequence and series, you have written a general term so many times, isn't it? You know how to write down the general term for an AP. You know how to write down the general term for a GP, isn't it, everyone? Yes? लिखते हैं कि नहीं लिखते हैं general term for the AP and GP? लिखा है, सभी ने लिखा है कि नहीं लिखा है? क्लास 10 से लिखते हुए आ रहे हो यार. लिखा है कि नहीं लिखा है general term for the AP and GP? हाँ तानिया लिखा है कि नहीं लिखा है? Everyone लिखा है ना? So the same thing of general term is also there in the binomial, but there is a beauty to write it. What's the beauty? Let's try to go and find it out. Okay, yeah, great. Let's go and find it out, है ना? Yes, find करते हैं. Okay, yes. If I want to find out the expansion of, if I write down the expansion of a plus b to the power n, what will be the expansion? The expansion will be n plus 1 terms. Yes, Arvind Sir ने बताया था. If you know this thing, you can write down general term very easily. Okay, let's have a look at it. If I look at the first term, what is happening? If I look at the first term, what is happening? This guy over here, this little guy over here is having the value 0, isn't it? Yes, this is 0 over here. And our rule was there that whatever is this number, b का भी power वही होगा. B will be having the same power which this number is written over here, right? Yes, and a ka power was accordingly, right? Because the summation of the powers of a and b was always equal to n. This was the rule. Yeah, if I'm writing the first term, obviously 0 is gonna come over here. यहाँ पे b का पावर आएगा और a का पावर क्या होगा? हमेशा a का पावर का सम और b का पावर का सम क्या होता है? n होता है, always. I have told you, है ना? Yes, if I'm looking at the second term, here 1 will come. The same one will go to the power of b, and what will be the power of a then? The summation of this power and this power should be equal to n, so this power should be n minus 1. This was there, right? Yes, if we are looking for the third term, 2 should come over here because nc0, nc1, nc2, right? And the same power we will give to b. तो यहाँ पे कितना बच जाएगा बच्चों? इसके ऊपर कितना पावर बच जाएगा अगर मैंने b को पावर 2 दे दिया तो? b को पावर अगर 2 दे दिया तो a का पावर कितना बच जाएगा? What will be the power of a? It will be n minus 2, right or not? Yes. So if I want to write r plus 1th term, if I want to write r plus 1th term, this is tr plus 1. Whenever you see such kind of a thing, this is r plus 1th term. Okay, this is the r plus 1th term. How to write it? When I was writing the first term, 0 was coming over here. When I was writing the second term, 1 was coming here. When I was writing the third term, 2 was coming here. So when I am writing the r plus 1th term, what will be coming over here, guys? यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? पहले सारे के सारे मुझे ये बताएंगे यार. Just observe this pattern. Just observe this. Yes, Aryan, very good. Aryan is saying, sir, when I am writing the r plus 1th term, r should come over here. Yes, I said very nice, very nice. And always one rule was there कि b का पावर क्या होता है? जो भी नंबर यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ होता है. So what is the power of b? b का पावर भी r होना चाहिए. Then what will be the power of a? Power of a और पावर ऑफ बी, ऑलवेज द सम शुड बी n. यस, तो a का पावर कितना होना चाहिए, a का पावर कितना होना चाहिए, n माइनस आर. वेरी गुड मार्शमेलो. मार्शमेलो मेरे रेगुलर सेशंस में आता है, आई हैव सीन हिम, बहुत बढ़िया यार. जो भी रेगुलर सेशंस में आ रहे हैं मैं जानता हूं उन लोगों के नाम, एंड डेफिनेटली दे गोना रॉक. दिस इज फॉर श्योर यार. यस, so this is my general term. Okay, so we should have a clear cut remembrance of this formula, that if I want to write down r plus 1th term in the binomial expansion, what is that? It is ncr a to the power n minus r and b to the power r. सबको याद हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, सबको याद हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? I'm looking in your chats guys. आदि, अरे ओ आदि, आदि तेरे को इग्नोर करके मेरे को कहां जाना है रे? हैं? चलो चलो चलो, सभी को समझ में आया एवरीवन? यस, याद हो गया? तानिया, नो वे बेटा, नो वे, नो वे. यस एवरीवन, ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट. लेट्स मूव इनटू द टॉपिक. अगर r plus 1th term is clear to you all, this is the formula, right? Yes, ncr a to the power n minus r and b to the power r. Okay, let's move into the question यार. क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, है ना? जेई का क्वेश्चन करते हैं, जेई का ही क्वेश्चन करते हैं सीधे, क्योंकि बहुत ही लड्डू क्वेश्चन है, बहुत ही लड्डू क्वेश्चन आता है यहां से, है ना? यस, सो इफ द फोर्थ टर्म इन द बाइनोमियल एक्सपेंशन ऑफ दिस is this, then a value of x will be what? This is the question. Okay, yes, so everyone, if I call this as a, because it is something very messy written, so I'm gonna call it as a, and I'm gonna call the other thing as b. Can you guys write down the fourth term in the expansion of this? Can you guys write down the fourth term in the expansion of this, everyone? Fourth term. If you want to write down fourth term, how you gonna write it? You're gonna write it as t3 plus 1. Always plus 1 I write. That means you need to write down the fourth term. So what is the value of r in the fourth term, guys? What is the value of r in the fourth term? I want to know in the chat from all of you. What is the value of r in the fourth term? What is the value of r in the fourth term? Arabda is saying right. Marsh is right. Robert Downey Jr., one of my favorite artists. He's damn good here. He's damn good. I love him. Yeah, 3. Then Manmeet also saying 3. Yeah, a lot of guys know this, yeah. So let's write the fourth term of this expansion. Okay, yes. So it will be NCR. What is the value of N? 6. C. R, that is 3. A to the power, difference of these two, and b to the power whatever is this thing written over here, right or not? How do I write down the general term for this? tr plus 1 कैसे लिखता था? ncr a to the power n minus r and b to the power r, और n का value in this problem is given to me as 6, right? Yes, so this is my sixth term. Okay, yes, sorry, fourth term, sorry, this is my fourth term. Okay, yes, so what is the a given to us? It is 2 by x given to me. What is b given to me? It is x to the power log x base 8 is given to me. Just put them here, and this value is given to you as 20 into 8 to the power 7. Can you guys find out the value of x? लड्डू है कि नहीं है? लड्डू है कि नहीं है यार, ये बताओ मेरे को यार. Everyone, लड्डू है ना? Yes, तो a का वैल्यू डालते हैं, क्या है भैया? 2 by x. Okay, तो 6c3 2 by x to the power 3, and this is x log x base 8 to the power 3, and this value is given to me as 20 into 8 to the power 7. Yes, this is the equation. I have to solve this equation. Now what you guys can do in order to solve this question, just check for the options whether they are satisfying the equation or not. You don't need to solve the complete equation because it will become too messy, है ना? Yes, so just put the options in the equation, you will be able to solve this, है ना? Issue, expression can look a bit deadly. This chapter is something in which expressions will be looking a bit deadly, but the question is very laddu, है ना? ये वो होता है ना, हाथी के दांत दिखाने के कुछ और चबाने के कुछ और. सुना है? किसने सुना है? हाथी के दांत दिखाने के कुछ और होते हैं और चबाने के कुछ और होते हैं. किसने सुना है एवरीवन? है ना? सुना है कि नहीं सुना है एवरीवन? सुना ही होगा यार, है ना? तो ये बाइनोमियल चैप्टर ऐसा ही है यार. इसमें एक्सप्रेशन बहुत डेडली दिखते हैं, लेकिन इसकी खास बात क्या है कि ये बहुत अच्छे से सॉल्व हो जाता है, बहुत इजीली यार. हाँ, सो जस्ट चेक फॉर द ऑप्शंस, जस्ट चेक फॉर द ऑप्शंस विच ऑप्शन इज सेटिस्फाइंग, है ना, विच ऑप्शन इज सेटिस्फाइंग. यस, तो क्या आ रहा है आंसर, क्या आ रहा है आंसर, सारे बताएंगे मेरे को क्या आ रहा है आंसर. भाई किसका क्या आंसर आ रहा है देखें जरा, किसका क्या आंसर आ रहा है देखें जरा. डी, a lot of guys are saying D is the right answer. तो देखते हैं हमारे कंप्यूटर साहब ने डी आंसर बताया, बिल्कुल राइट आंसर है यार. 8 to the power 2 is the right answer. Everyone, सुपर्ब जॉब, सुपर्ब. यश कैलकुलेशन में गड़बड़ कर दिया, यश कैलकुलेशन में गड़बड़ कर दिया. देख बेटा, मैं तेरे को बताता ताकि आगे से तू ऐसा गलती नहीं करता, और आगे से गलती नहीं करता तो एग्जाम के अंदर अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन आता तो तू तेरे को 4 मार्क्स आता. ठीक है. यस, सो दिस इज माय टर्म, and as per the equation this is given to me as 20 into 8 to the power 7, 8 to the power 7. So I'll be having this kind of equation with me. Yes, what I need to do is भैया ये कट रहा है यार, ये कट रहा है यार, कुछ काट दो इसके साथ. Okay, yes, then a property of logarithm, some property of logarithm is there. I can write x to the power 3 log x base 8. इसको I can write as what? I'm looking at this particular thing. This thing can be written as log x 2 to the power 3, and this thing can be written as 1 by 3 log x base 2. Agree or not? All of these circle things are same. All of these circular things are same. So what is this thing? X to the power 3, 1 by 3 log x base 2. So 3 से 3 गया तो I'm having x to the power log x base 2. Okay, so that means all the circular things are same, and I'm having this thing as this. Now what is there यार? अब क्या है इसके अंदर यार? अब क्या है इसके अंदर? इसके अंदर जिसको भी डाउट है, उसने लॉगरिथम अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ा है तो मैं उसको बता देता हूं, है ना. जब भी कभी तुम ऐसे फंस जाओ बेटा, जब भी कभी लॉगरिथम पावर में चल रहा है, whenever logarithm is going on in the power, what you have to do, what is this base of the logarithm? 2 is the base. So what you have to do is take logarithm both sides, take logarithm both sides with the same base 2. Take logarithm both sides with the same base 2, so that every equation will be having log 2 as the base. Now you are having every term as log 2 as the base. If you take this log x base 2 as t, so you will be having equation as 18 is equal to t minus 3 times t. t के लिए पहले सॉल्व कर लो, फिर x के लिए सॉल्व कर लेना. चमका के नहीं चमका? यस, आर्यन कह रहे हैं डन बाय दैट मेथड ओनली. यस, अगर किसी को लॉगरिथम में डाउट है, आई हैव डन अ सीरीज ऑन लॉगरिथम्स in the name of bridge course. Yeah, in the name of bridge course I have done an entire series on logarithm. You guys can definitely go there and can learn in a logarithm in a very interesting way यार. Yes, yes, yes. इस लॉग पसंद आने लग जाएंगे तुमको. हाँ, जो इंट्रोवर्ट गाइज हैं उनके लिए स्पेशली, अगर मेरी लॉगरिथम की सीरीज देखोगे तो तुमको लोग पसंद आने लग जाएंगे. हाँ, जो इंट्रोवर्ट है उनके लिए, जो एक्सट्रोवर्ट है उनको तो लॉग पहले से ही पसंद होगा, है ना. यस, ग्रेट, है ना. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं यार, आगे बढ़ते हैं, है ना. हाँ यार, जो इंट्रोवर्ट होते हैं वो लॉग से ज्यादा बात नहीं करते ना. हाँ, इसीलिए. चलो, है ना. सो वी हैव सॉल्व्ड दिस प्रॉब्लम. मिडिल टर्म. नाउ अनदर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म is middle term in the binomial expansion. Okay, middle term. Okay, yeah, let's have a look at it. Some of you guys, when you guys have learnt AP or GP, you guys might have noticed one thing, that if I'm having n numbers in an AP, if I take the first term from the beginning and first term from the end, right? You guys might have observed this thing in the AP. If you take first term of the AP from the beginning and first term from the end of that AP and you add them, the sum always remains constant, isn't it? Second term of the AP from the beginning and second term from the end of the AP, again the sum is constant, isn't it? Third term from the beginning of the AP and third term from the end of the AP, if you add them, these two numbers, again the sum is that same constant only, right? Everyone, you guys remember? So same thing happens somehow in binomial theorem as well, right? What is the first coefficient of binomial? What is the first binomial coefficient? NC0. What is the first binomial coefficient? NC0. What is the first coefficient, first binomial coefficient from the end? It is NCN, isn't it? They are both equal. NC0 is equal to NCN. What is the second binomial coefficient from the beginning? It is NC1. What is the second binomial coefficient from the end? It is NCN minus 1, isn't it? And they are both equal. And they are both equal. Yeah. What is the third binomial coefficient from the front? It is NC2, isn't it? It is NC2. What is the third last binomial coefficient, or I say third binomial coefficient from the end? It is NCN minus 2. Again, they are equal, right? So what I'm going to tell you is that if you have these kind of terms written over here, NC0, NCN, NC1, NC2, sorry, NC2 nahi, NCN minus 1. If you have NC2, here I'm having NCN minus 2. If you have NC3, I'll be having NCN minus 3, right? This is the first binomial coefficient from the beginning, this one. And this is the first binomial coefficient from the end, isn't it? These two are equal. These two, this one and this one, they are both equal, because everyone knows that NCR is equal to NCN minus R, isn't it? Yes. What is the second binomial coefficient from the beginning? It is NC1. What is the second binomial coefficient from the end? It is NCN minus 1. They are both equal. They are both equal as per the property NCR equal to NCN minus R. Everyone remember this property or not? Everyone remember this property? Yeah, it's a combination ka property, yaar. NCR means selection of R things from N. NCR means what? Selection of R things from N. And if you have selected R things, that means you have rejected N minus R things. So the other guy is having N minus R things. So that's why NCR has to be equal to NCN minus R. Remember? Yeah, great, superb. Yeah. If you see the third binomial coefficient from the front, it is NC2. What is the third binomial coefficient from the end, yaar? It is NCN minus 2. Again, they are equal, right? So this way, the binomial coefficients are equal, and the number two thing is, they keep on increasing like this. They keep on increasing like this. So at the middle one, you will be having the term with the highest binomial coefficient. They are gonna increase like this. NC0 से बड़ा होता है NC1, फिर NC2 बड़ा होता है, फिर NC3 बड़ा होता है, and like this a shape is formed, है ना? और जो middle में जो मेरे binomial coefficient आएंगे, that will be the biggest binomial coefficient. Yes, great, superb. तो यही है middle term निकालने का फंडा. देख लेते हैं यार क्या है ना? Yes, let's say I'm having a plus b to the power n का expansion. I'll be having total n plus 1 terms. Total n plus 1 terms, right? Yes. If I'm having a plus b का power as 5, अगर मेरा power 5 है, number of terms कितने होंगे everyone? Number of terms कितने होंगे? If the power is 5, the number of the terms will be 6. And if I'm telling you कि guys NC0, अगर 5C0 इधर आ गया, तो you will say sir this will be equal to 5C5. अगर मैं बात करूं 5C1 की, तो this will be equal to what? This will be 5C4. अगर मैं बात करूं 5C2 की, तो this will be equal to what? This will be equal to 5C3. So what are the two middle terms? Is this particular expansion will be having two middle terms or one middle term? भाई दो के ऐसे पेयर बना रहे हो तो दो middle term आएंगे, isn't it? 5C2 and 5C3. The binomial coefficient, these will be two middle terms, right? 5C2 and 5C3, that is 5C2, that means third term. Since 2 is coming over here, it has to be the third term of the binomial expansion, and 5C3 is coming, that means it has to be the fourth binomial expansion, right or not? Right or not, everyone? Everyone right or not? Yes, everyone right or not? Agree with me on this or not? Yeah? So whenever the power is odd, whenever the power of the expansion is odd, you will be having two middle terms. And when the power is even, let's say I want to write down this. So everyone knows that if the power is 2, one middle term will come. When the power is even, one middle term comes. है ना? Yes, so let's learn formula for them. है ना? Yes, उनके formula पढ़ लेते हैं ताकि वो formula अभी अपन कभी भी नहीं भूले. और अगर ये formula याद कर लिया तो जेई मैथ हो जाएगा जिंगा लाला, क्योंकि इस चैप्टर से एक क्वेश्चन आता है हर साल. Every year I have given so many 2019 के questions to all of you here, right? So if n is even, if the power of the binomial coefficient is even, then t n by 2 plus 1 will be the middle term. ठीक है? Because only one middle term comes. भाई अगर n इवन है तो नंबर ऑफ द टर्म्स ऑड आएगा, और नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स अगर ऑड आ गया तो ओनली वन मिडल टर्म विल कम, isn't it? Yes. And if, right, so if I'm saying that the power of n is, that the power of this expression, that is n is 6, so I'll be having total 7 number of terms. How to find out the middle term? N का value is 6, so t 6 by 2 plus 1, that is t4 will be the middle term. सही बात, सही बात, t4 will be the middle term, है ना? सही बात के नहीं everyone? Yes, है ना? और अगर मैं कहूं कि if the power is odd, number of the terms will be coming even. If the number of the terms are coming even, I'll be having two middle terms, right or not? So what is the formula in that case? T n plus 1 by 2 and T n plus 3 by 2. Obviously, if n is odd, you can't divide it directly by 2. How to remember this? Is, if n is odd, obviously I can't divide an odd number by 2. So it has to be plus 1 or plus 3 with plus 3 here, right? So these will be two middle terms, okay? N plus 1 by 2 and n plus 3 by 2, okay? Yes, so this is how you will remember this. If you are clear with it, this definitely you can write down the middle term and you can solve every equation on the middle term. So we will be doing a whole lot of questions in the next session on this topic. So if you guys enjoyed today's session, don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe, because your feedback means a lot to us. I'll be adding a lot of questions in this PDF as well, but we will unfortunately have to end our session here only. तो किस को मजा आया आज के सेशन में in the chat? Can I have a feel of this? किस को मजा आया यार? मजा आया? किस को मजा आया? Everyone? Yes? Everyone? किस को मजा आया? Everyone? सारे के सारे? Yes, मजा आया कि नहीं आया? Do share among your friends, because अगर तुम शेयर करोगे उनके साथ तो हमको और आएगा मजा, and we gonna rock together for sure, है ना? Yes, हम लोग मेहनत कर रहे हैं यार, क्यों कर रहे हैं? We guys are together यार, हम एक टीम है कि नहीं है? Everyone agree करते हो कि नहीं करते हो मेरी बात से? टीम है कि नहीं है हमारी, है ना? तो अपनी टीम we gonna rock it यार. Yes, तो पढ़ते रहो, मजे करते रहो. ये जो समय है, this time will never come back again. So let's make something fruitful of this time, so that when we look back at our journey of this preparation, हमको लगे कि यार हमने बहुत अच्छी चीज करी और बहुत मजा आया हमको, है ना? So don't forget to share this, because sharing is caring, है ना? Yes, बिल्कुल. चलो guys, see you in the next session. Till then, शुक्रिया, शब्बा खैर, शुभ रात्रि, bye bye. Love you all. Yeah.